Welcome to Potato Cannon Science Experiment. This is a science experiment. Statistics experiment with Logan and Gabe.
And this is Avery.
This is Avery. He got to glow up.
I'm Avery.
3, 2, 1.
Dang!
Yeah, let's move it closer. Don't run over my potato.
We're still trying to sight in the gun. We're having trouble.
These are my potatoes. These are my potatoes.
I'm gonna drive over your potatoes.
So don't. As I was saying, these are my potatoes. I'm going to be testing rifling and length. So these are my rifled potatoes. This is my device that rifles them. So you can see that it has threading on the inside. When you push it through, it cuts the threading in there. So, and they're the exact size of the tube. I made sure to make that perfect. And then Gaberson, he's going to be shooting these things. These are ping pong balls, and they're full of different amounts of water, as you might want to call them. So yeah, all things are good. We'll update you when we start again. Again, that is Avery. And
We're gonna update you once we sighted in and actually do the experiment. All right, this is shot number 1. 18 milliliters of water.
Ready? 3, 2. It was the one. It was the hairspray. Let's go. How are you gonna measure that distance, Gabe?
With the video. Wait. For legal purposes, that house behind us is fake.
For legal purposes.
Yep. In case, you know.
A lawyer watches our video.
I'm sure, like, what if there's, like, an Indonesian lawyer, you know?
Oh, no. Not the Indonesian part.
Okay.
Those are the worst kind of lawyers because they're the best.
We don't even know what they're going to be accusing us of.
Yeah, they're just going to be like, you cannot do that. Don't do that.
That is not allowed. Don't do that.
Don't even try.
Don't even try to blow up the house.
Don't even try to follow up.
All right, we're ready. 3, 2. What? That was weak.
We need Logan.
Hey, I see a mark though from where it was.
If you're trying to find consistency, one of you do it every time.
It's up to you. Figure this out on your own. A little bit unstable.
Don't try this at home, kids. You know, your parents always tell you don't to like look down the barrel of a gun, but none of them ever tell you not to put your mouth on the barrel of the gun.
Ooh, that's a fair point.
So, it's okay.
This is the quality that people want.
I know. They just want to watch someone get hurt, right?
YouTube videos like this no more.
This is 19 milliliters, I think. Fire in 3, 2. Woo!
Whoa, did it hit?
No.
It was upright.
Trial 5, 20 milliliters. Wise advice from Avery. Try to hit the target again. Very inspiring.
This is why we keep Avery around.
That's why. He's basically our pastor already. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, so close.
Hey, post in the comments how many shots it will take to get a perfect bullseye. Number 6, 20.5 milliliters.
So far I have 12 or 13 rifle potatoes, so you know.
That's very nice. Yes!
Oh!
Yes! This is why America exists.
Oh!
Woo!
How close is that? I wasn't watching.
It was the blue one to the top right. Number 17. 26 milliliters.
Can I pull the trigger?
Yes, you may. Avery's gonna pull the trigger, so if it misses, it's Avery's fault. Okay, pull the trigger.
This spray tan was the best purchase I've ever had. Woo!
Nice! 18. 26.5 milliliters.
Oh yeah, you don't need to pay for the first place, huh?
Yeah, I mean, it is nice.
Ooh.
About kids in Africa. 27 milliliters. Good.
Dude, they'd be world-class beatboxers if they just got trained.
It's just their language.
I know, they literally just like...
Boots and cats.
Oh! Oh! Whoa!
Absolute dot.
Literally, it's a dot.
It's a dot. We gotta check it out.
I'm estimating 3 inches.
3.5 inches.
3.
No, that's 3.
That's
3.
3.
Let's go.
I estimated perfectly.
27.5 milliliters.
27.5.
Awesome.
Can I do this one?
Yes. You gotta count your 3
Ready?
seconds. Woo! 28 milliliters. It's already in there, so we're gonna fire now.
3, 2.
Woo! Number 22, 28.5 milliliters. Bullseye! Crap.
That was like.
Trial number 23, 29 milliliters. Give him a kiss inside the mouth. French kiss. Say hut!
Yikes.
Oh, this one theoretically should still have...
24, 29.5.
Just left.
If this is a bullseye,
6 inches left.
I will do 700 push-ups.
Dang.
Dang it.
That was really bad.
Should we write error for that one?
It's still fine though, I think.
Do you think if it's fine, that'd be really nice. 24, take 2, kind of.
29.5 millimeters.
29.5 milliliters.
Milliliters.
Actually. Avery, get it right.
Just right.
Fire! Yeah!
700 push-ups.
Oh, shoot. Da-da-da-da, Elmo's World. 25, 30 milliliters. I'll do my push-ups in the next video. What? Teamy test. Actually, Avery pulled the trigger.
This is hey, Avery.
You messed it up.
That
Come on, Avery, you
That wasn't
suck.
Avery.
Yeah, that's a bundle of fence, right?
Yeah.
What is?
Can I buy that off of you, Avery?
Shut up, airplane.
That's a helicopter.
Heavy copter. Hey, pull the trigger.
3, 2. I didn't see it. Where'd it go?
I saw it. It's on the hit the green.
It hit like the top. Hallelujah, by and by.
27.
Oh,
Oh, hey, open this back.
I want to clean it off. Hey.
31 milliliters. Sorry, what?
Hey!
Hey! Which on? Number 28, 31.5.
Lovely.
Oh.
Woo!
You know, I kind of think that the actual bullseye might be right up there.
I'm thinking the same thing, yeah. Goodness, Avery.
29, 32 milliliters.
I'll make the face this time. Oh.
Logan can make the face. Having a smolder battle
I don't think I could win that battle.
against me.
You smolder at everything and everyone.
My resting face is a smolder. Oi, oi!
Dang.
Flynn Rider is actually designed after you. Have to dream to do anything.
Number 30, 32.5. Hey, if this is a bullseye, Logan's also gonna do 700 push-ups.
Logan will not, actually. But...
Oh.
Ooh,
directly above it.
I'm safe. Test shot number 1. Documentation. Ground.
I think it's a little low.
You think so?